Bartender is believed to be armed and dangerous and should be approached with extreme caution.
You see why I don't want that piece of crap anywhere near my inbox? The only thing missing is that he can be identified by his pronounced limp.
Movie.
And at that, you don't want to send on my inbox. You are to learn. Take notes. This is not how you write a report.
Yes, sir. But that report don't have no bearing on the operation, right?
What report? Have any of you heard the report? Delete that shit.
I already did, sir.
Well, now that you know what I don't want, let me hear your report.
Well, I can say I get close enough to the new faces in the community. One, they are not from the community.
Okay.
And I can also safely say they don't speak Jamaican.
What do they speak?
French.
Are they integrating into the community? Do they have any women in the community?
No, sir. Them don't on the front page. No means just back, so them go straight through the bushes.
I hope you're not engaged none of them, you know.
I really don't think so, you know. He doesn't look like he's their type.
You see that? Put some close to my argument.
I hope you're not trying to take them on yourself.
Well, I didn't hear an answer to the agent's question.
No, sir. I've not made any attempts to apprehend.
Then, pray tell, what caused the bushfire?
Alright, so I followed them in the bush. They made fresh track. I was following the tracks. But it seemed like they were aware that someone was following them. I can't tell that they know who it is, but I think that's why they decide to light the fire.
Oh, you know it's them light the fire.
Smell gasoline, sir, right in the tracks.
So they plan to burn anybody who tried to follow them.
You see what I talk about?
The next thing, based on what I hear, them going to all of the communities, and people been complaining, say them uncomfortable because them don't know the new faces. And it seems like it's organized.
I wonder. This have Tony written all over it. Very good job. Excellent job, as a matter of fact. But don't spoil it by getting too close. You are of no use to us if they tweak to your presence.
Sir, I don't need to go over this again, but you not hear from Bubbles. I'm really concerned now.
So why do you think I'm not concerned? For some reason, I think you doubt the level of concern that I have.
That's not the case, sir. But you have to remember, say, I'm a team leader, so we have to always concern one.
David.
Come in my office without knock and start with David. This should be fun. Let me hear, have a seat.
What really are going with Angie? I mean, you can tell these two young agents exactly what I want, Me interested to know, me sure them really interested to know. So what about?